I want to send my warmest congratulations both to Rajshree Agarwal for his new exciting position and also to Illinois Tech for their wonderful new president. I have enjoyed immensely working with Raj at Northeastern University. Together, we've done many exciting things. And what's so unique about Raj and so wonderful is that he's fun, he is deeply caring about the students, the faculty, the staff of the university. He's creative and he can get things done. And that package of kindness, ideas, and ability to execute is what makes him unique and is something I will miss dearly. But our loss is your gain. Congratulations.
Hi, Raj. Thank you for the opportunity to speak on your behalf to this distinguished audience. I'm absolutely thrilled and excited for you and your future, but more importantly, quite frankly, the future of Illinois Tech. Raj and I first developed an academic relationship as we built out master's programs between Northeastern University and the Mayo Clinic College of Medicine and Science. And in that build out, I found Raj to be incredibly creative, innovative, and a very positive can-do attitude. I can make that happen, Fred. I can do it, no problem, never a problem. I know what you did in the past with your MBA program. It was worldwide successful. I know what you did for Northeastern, the business school. I know what you have done to help build out our academic programs and collaboratives. And therefore, I'm really excited for Illinois Tech. I think this is a great, great event for that university. I know it stems from a laudable mission of educating the disadvantaged and disparity students in the area. This is wonderful for them. I think Illinois Tech's going to rise to new heights in vision under Raj's energy and vision. But Raj, think about us. Let's hope we can continue to work together as we try to partner between Illinois Tech and the Mayo Clinic College of Medicine and Science. It'd be positive for both of us. But on a personal note, congratulations. I'm so excited for you. This is just wonderful. Congratulations.
It's a great privilege for me to get this opportunity to talk about a few characteristics of my good friend Rajshree Agarwal. I was dean of the College of Business here at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign when we hired Raj. And you know, Raj has just got a lot of amazing characteristics and qualities, and I don't have enough time to talk about them all. So I'm going to limit to just a couple things that I think is quite indicative of Raj's great strengths. First, when we hired Raj, he had a big publication list. He had a nice, strong vita. He had 3 A journals, A publications. That's hard to get. But what was really important is that each of those was in a different field. He had an A journal in marketing, he had an A journal in strategy, and he had an A journal in organizational behavior. It's amazing. Most of us spend our career trying to get an A journal in just one discipline, and he had 3. About 8 years ago, I made Raj the associate dean in the college. And Raj came to me and he said, I want to revive our dormant executive education program. It's a non-degree certificate program. I said, okay, go ahead. He said, but I'm going to do it online. And so he put together a committee, a team. They worked real hard at it. And he came back and surprised me again and said, hey, Larry, we want to do it for the MBA, a degree program. And so we started the IMBA back in 2016. Now it's in about its 6th year. We've had over 3,500 graduates. It is a true game changer. Thank you, Raj. Thanks for your vision, and thanks for all the hard work you did. Best of luck in your new job.
It has been my honor and privilege to witness Raj's journey from a young assistant professor in marketing to now the president of Illinois Institute of Technology. Raj, you're a model academic, deeply committed to scholarship, teaching, and engagement. Your roots are that of a scholar of strategic innovation and entrepreneurship. Here, you have created seminal contributions regarding why and how enterprising individuals create new firms and new industries, and how win-win alliances create the scale and the scope of new technological solutions meeting society's critical unmet needs. And you have always been a phenomenal teacher. My husband, Rob, once noted how you transformed from a Clark Kent to a Superman, infusing your students with a sense of awe, inspiration, and a deep thirst for learning. And you're committed to creating the workforce of the future through your grand vision of engagement. This is where you're committed to technology and education coming together to enable upward mobility. For example, you overcame great odds to create the iMBA program at the University of Illinois, which broke through either-or mindsets to provide both high quality and low-cost education. I'm excited about the next steps in your journey. No doubt, this is a new beginning, not only for you, but also the institution that you lead. I know you will infuse Illinois Tech with your optimistic sense of purpose. Your growth mindset is contagious, and it will propel each and every person associated with Illinois Tech, the students, the faculty, the staff, along with committed alumni and well-wishers to achieve their highest potential. Congratulations and best wishes.
Greetings. I'm honored to participate today in the inauguration of Rajshree Agarwal as president of Illinois Tech. I congratulated Raj when he accepted your appointment. Today, I congratulate Illinois Tech for the wisdom of selecting this fine man as president. I can assure you that Raj has the energy, vision, creativity, integrity, and wisdom to lead Illinois Tech to a brilliant future. With your involvement and support, I know it will happen. In my writing and teaching on leadership, I say that great leaders need to be warm as toast, tough as nails, and able to make positive, constructive change. Raj has already demonstrated these capabilities at the University of Illinois, where I saw it firsthand, and at Northeastern University. Now Illinois Tech is benefiting from the leadership of this great educator. I want to say a word to the students. No president could care more about you, your education and development than Raj. He is a wonderful teacher and mentor. A word to faculty and staff. Raj expects the best from everyone and works hard to deliver the resources and support you need to achieve it. And finally, a word to the entire Illinois Tech family. You're a great university that has been a gateway of opportunity for more than a century. Your president is an immigrant success story. This is a perfect fit. I can tell you from experience that Raj honors the past while embracing change to make research, education, and service excellent and more accessible and affordable to all. My very best wishes to you, Raj, and to the Illinois Tech community. Certainly the best is yet to come.
It is indeed a pleasure to offer my congratulations to Dr. Rajshree Agarwal on his inauguration as president at the Illinois Institute of Technology. General Douglas MacArthur said that a true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. He does not set out to be a leader, but becomes one by the equality of his actions and the integrity of his intent. These words truly describe Raj. While he was the Senior Associate Dean of Strategic Innovation at the University of Illinois, Raj demonstrated these qualities regularly. He was convinced that the tide of graduate education was turning, so he decided to lead us into the online world. Even while there were doubters at our institution, he addressed their concerns, created alliances, and forged on. He was resolute in his desire to bring a true spirit of innovation to the college and the university. During the financial crisis in the state of Illinois, these online graduate programs provide a lifeline for the Geese College of Business thanks to Raj's vision. Raj was truly courageous, yet showed the compassion and integrity needed to bring his vision to fruition. Raj and I share a love of cricket, seeking knowledge and empowering others to be their best selves. Raj is someone who will harness the best attributes of Illinois Institute of Technology and help make it an even better institution. Congrats again, Raj. My mentor, my friend. We are all better off for knowing you.
I'm so excited to see the wonderful things that you're going to accomplish.
Raj, congratulations. And also congratulations to Illinois Tech. Wonderful, wonderful news.
We are also very, very proud of you.
Congratulations, Raj. We miss you a lot here, but you're going to do great things at Illinois Tech.
Raj, congratulations.
Illinois Tech, meet Raj Agarwal. This match is awesome.